Whether you have no experience, little experience, or even if you have a lot of experience dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, but are still not making enough sales and profit yet, this video is exactly for you. How to find the best winning products from AliExpress. I want to start with my favorite method, my personally most used method, that is the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. So you can write on Google AliExpress Dropshipping Center and you'll have access as long as you have an AliExpress account. You'll also have a link to it right below this video. So this is what the AliExpress Dropshipping Center looks like. The first thing that you'll notice on the left side is find products to sell. So we're going to click on that. And here AliExpress is going to give me an overview of all of the best selling products that they found recently that have been getting a huge amount of orders. Let's take a look. We got this 2020 smartwatch over here. It's priced only at $5.80. It's already gotten 869 orders. Out of all of those orders, 646 are dropshipping orders, which makes for more than 3/4 of the orders are dropshipping orders. I mean, that's just crazy. It shows you what I said in the beginning of this video, that dropshippers make for most of the sales. This wasn't always the case, but today it is. AliExpress knows how to appreciate those dropshippers. They want to help us out, and they're giving us one of the biggest and best tools for us to analyze the market, all completely free at no cost. Needless to say, sellers usually pay a lot of money for analytical tools like this one. So we got the product, we got the price, we got the number of orders, you got the average product rating, the sales performance, and you can analyze the product to check out its sales history, when it started selling and how much, when it increased, when it decreased, and so forth. So let's click on analyze, and it's the same thing as clicking on product analysis here on the left side. Click on product analysis, put in the product's URL, and you'll be taken to this analyze section over here. So here's the analyzation for that smartwatch. As you can see, today is April 7th while I'm recording this video. So as we see, this product started selling just a little bit towards the end of March, which was just about a week ago. And right now on April 2nd, which was 5 days ago, this product peaked at 100 sales volume. So in just one day to reach 100 units in sales. And ever since then, it went back down again, and now it's starting to gradually climb again. So this looks like a product with a lot of potential, but we're not going to stop after checking our first product. This is a great place to find product ideas. So what you should do after checking out this watch is head back to AliExpress, search up smartwatches, and look for lots of similar smartwatches to this one. Look for specific features that people are buying and add them to your stores. This is a great way to get product ideas for products that are selling and trending hot right now. And we're going to talk about optimizing the products later. So let's move on with the list to just get a couple of more good examples. This product is called Dropshipping Pearl Shaped Crystal Soiled Water Beads. So I want you guys to notice what the seller did over here. This seller is completely relying on dropshippers to buy this product. 50 cents for this pearl shaped crystal soil water beads, and they added dropshipping to the first part of their title. I'm guessing what they think is dropshippers usually search for dropshipping and they want this product to be seen first. And as you can see here, this product got 19,000 orders, almost 5,000 of them are dropshipping orders, and we got the rest of the statistics which we just talked about. On the other hand, it's a very, very cheap item. Here is another good example of a product that I would take the idea right now and start searching for similar products. One of the best things that you can do as a dropshipper is see what's going well and don't copy that same exact product. And even if you do, change the title a little bit, change the pictures, change the product description, optimize it, make it look a lot better for your customers so you can really stand out even with the same products. But what you should be doing when you see a good selling product is look for similar products to that one that is selling. Look for additional or related features in similar products and add them to your stores. That is how you can start your own trends from products that have been proven to work. So use AliExpress Dropshipping Center. This is one of the best places to find hot selling products that you wouldn't have been able to think of by yourself. And again, these analytical tools cost a lot of money at the end of the day. AliExpress spent a lot of money on their developers to develop this system for us. So go ahead and take good advantage of that. An additional method that I would like to talk about for finding the best products to sell on your dropshipping stores and really cherry picking those products that will sell and will make your profit is using a combination of AliExpress's best sellers, their flash deals, and we're going to combine that with a wonderful extension called Ali Tools, which will help us get the best sellers for our products that have really good seller ratings find similar products to these ones that are selling, so we'll have better ideas and better products to sell that others haven't thought of selling yet. And once we combine everything together, it will all work like a beautiful piece of harmony. Let's see exactly how that works. So here we are on AliExpress. What we want to do is check out their flash deals. These flash deals usually last around 48 hours for each product, but first of all, the discounts are huge. You can make some great profit here. For example, these LED lights over here, instead of buying them for $11.70, you can now buy them for $4. So you got an average of 50, 60, and 70% off in the flash deals. And one of the things that I like the best about flash deals is that AliExpress is really putting their best sellers here. They're not just putting out items that are not selling because they know that a little more discount is not going to help. They're actually giving you the products that are trending, that are selling well. And on top of that, they're adding a discount so you can make some more profit. So we know that we have these products, and we know that in about 24 or 48 hours, their prices are going to increase again and go back to their normal prices. So why would we want to check out the flash deals section, you ask? Well, the answer is pretty simple. For one, if you do catch a sale here, you're going to make some great profit. But even if you don't, you're going to get these product ideas and you're going to take them and expand them with the AliTools Shopping Assistant. So the AliTools Shopping Assistant is an excellent extension to add to AliExpress when you're doing your product research, and let me show you exactly why. Simply search up AliTools on Google or use the link right below this video to go straight to this page. Now let's check out these LED strip lights over here. And once inside the product page, here on the bottom, we can see the extension. So once I click on it, you can see all of the features that it has, starting with the price history. So here you have a price history for this product, when the price increased, when it decreased, and when that happened. So this is a good indicator for when is a good time to buy this product. Today at $6.16, it's the average price. Sometimes it drops down to $3.42, probably on flash deals, but sometimes it even raises to $8.50, which is not a good time to buy this product because we know that it can go lower. But this is one of the features that this extension has. Now, if we're going to click on the seller, as we can see, we have a 94% average grade for this seller. And what that means is the AliTools extension is rating this seller based on the seller's performance. Now, you can already get some seller performance when you're going to hover on top of the seller, like you can see up here. So we know that the seller has been here since April 14, 2020. And here's his average feedback from the customers. But down here, we can get a much more in-depth information of what's going on with the seller and why and if we should work with them. For example, let's see what we got here. 94%. Reliable brands for sale. Buyers are satisfied with the seller's communication. So you know that if you're going to reach out to the seller, he's going to respond to you and he's going to respond on time. The products from the seller match their description. So whatever you see on his store, that's exactly what you're going to get. And the seller ships quickly, which is very, very important for AliExpress. We're going to get to that soon. Some of the cons that the seller has: the seller has been active on the platform for just a little more than a year, just like we saw up here, April 14, 2020. Today's date is April 7, 2021 while I'm recording this video. So he's been here for just about a year, and the AliTools is looking for sellers that have a little bit more experience than that. But because he's been here for already a year and it's not just a month or two, I wouldn't go so quick as to disqualifying this seller. Another con: 5% of the buyers are dissatisfied with the products from the seller, which is actually a really, really low number. So the pros definitely outweigh the cons here, and I would definitely go with this seller based on this rating that I'm getting from AliTools. So that's another very helpful feature. Next, you have your product reviews, and here you're going to see customer photos from people who actually bought this product, and they've posted their reviews with the photo of this product. So what you can do here is take these photos and add it to your product description. This way you're going to stand out more than your competitors who are selling this exact same product, because they are not taking these photos. And that's another great feature that we're going to have over here. Differentiate yourself from the competition, use those photos, stand out more, make more sales. Next, you have the similar feature, and this is one of my favorite features on this tool, because when you find a bestseller like this one, as you can see, it has over 30,000 orders, almost 10,000 reviews, and a 4.7 average rating. This is a great product to sell, but it may be saturated. Even if it is, you can optimize your product page to make it stand out. Like, for example, I just talked about using customers' photos on top of the regular photos that you're getting from your supplier, and more things that I'm going to talk about soon in this video. So stay here and stay tuned. Regarding the similar products, this is one of my favorite features here. what it's going to do is it's going to find a lot of products that are similar to this one that is selling. So every time you find a bestseller, if you're trying to sell it, if you did have luck or if you didn't have any luck selling that product, you can always sell similar products. And this is one of the best advices that I can give to anyone who is dropshipping today. Sell similar products to those ones that are selling. You can still sell products that you see are selling well, like the same exact product, like the one I'm seeing right in front of me right here. Optimize it a little to differentiate yourself from the competition, but look at similar products, because here you're going to find rising trends, products that other dropshippers are not selling or are not selling enough, and you will definitely profit from those sales. So similar products, one of the best things that I like here, you can see the products, their prices, how many orders they have, and the seller ratings before clicking on the product listing. And once you click on it, of course, you're going to go straight to the product listing. And you can use that Ali tools again, which is going to pop up in just about a second here. And here it is. So we got the price history for this product, the seller ratings, customer reviews with additional photos that nobody else is using, and similar products that are similar to this one that is selling. So you can continue multiplying your success. So that is another great method to use when you are doing product research on AliExpress to sell on your eBay selling channel. So we talked about using the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. We talked about using Ali tools and the flash deals, along with checking out bestsellers, products that are similar to the ones that are selling. Another way to do your product research is by knowing exactly which holidays are about to come up. So you're going to have a link to this e-commerce calendar right below this video. And what you have here is all of the holidays that are coming up this year, 2021. Last year it was updated for 2020. Next year it's going to be updated for 2022. But this year, of course, it's updated for 2021. So you know exactly what's going on, which holidays are going to come up, and which products you should sell for those holidays, prior to those holidays, to start making those sales. And this is another way to beat your competition. Most dropshippers think about the holidays or know about the holidays only a couple of days before they come up. And on platforms like AliExpress, it is not a good idea, especially when you're shipping from China to US or to worldwide. And that is because the customers are simply not going to get their products on time. So you didn't sell them the right product at the right time. With the e-commerce calendar, that is not going to happen because you can simply prepare yourself on time. For example, we have Mother's Day coming up on May 9th. And if you click on it, you'll see which audience you should target and what type of products you should sell. So use the e-commerce calendar to get another edge on your competition. Use the AliExpress Dropshipping Center, use the flash deals, and use the Ali Tools Shopping Assistant to check out the seller ratings, check out the product selling history, and also find similar products to the ones that are selling and continue multiplying and scaling your success from there. Those are my favorite methods for product researching from AliExpress and finding those best-selling items. Now, of course, there are a few good other methods for product research. We have them on our blog channel. We also have them on our YouTube channel. I'm trying to keep this video short, even though I know that it's not going to be short. Now, keep in mind that when you're adding products to your store, you also have different warehouses that can be shipped from on AliExpress. They ship from China mostly, but also from the US, from the Russian Federation, and a few more warehouses around the world. So check out where the product can be shipped from. For example, let's click on this weekly deal over here for these LED lights. And if we just scroll down a little bit, we have the product variations. We have different colors to choose. And then you have the ships from. So as you can see, this product can be shipped from China warehouse, from Russian Federation, from Spain, and from the United States. So if you're shipping to the United States, you want to keep it domestic, you want the shipping time to be as fast as possible, you're going to choose the United States warehouse. So for this example, if I would choose the US warehouse, choose my variation, choose my color, choose my wattage, I'll get my final price. Estimated delivery time should take about a week, and it will be with USPS, which means real tracking information that eBay will be able to track and confirm that the product arrived at its destination to your buyer. So keep in mind that there are multiple warehouses. You need to choose the right one for your customers. And on top of that, you need to stay away from Vero products. Vero products on eBay are products that you are not allowed to sell. I'm talking about things like medicine products, tobacco, firearms, vitamins. And if you're not familiar with these Vero products, you don't really have to worry about it because I'm going to leave a link under this video to check out eBay's Vero page and learn all about the products which you are not allowed to sell. And you have another layer of protection through AutoDS. When you're trying to add a product that is Vero, AutoDS has a large database of Vero products and brands that we know dropshippers are not allowed to resell. So when you try to add a Vero product, AutoDS will stop you and tell you, hey, this product is Vero. Are you sure that you want to add it to your store? and that's where you can stop the product from doing any damage to your store and take care of your dropshipping business. So be aware of Vero products, but know that you have that extra layer of protection from AutoDS. That sums up this video explanation on how to dropship from AliExpress to eBay the right way, using the right product research methods. Put in the time and effort, and I guarantee that you will start seeing results. Once again, guys, if you are new here, subscribe to our YouTube channel to always stay updated on the latest and hottest topics that are coming out in the dropshipping industry. We always have them coming out on the latest products, the latest suppliers and marketplaces. We're also always adding in new suppliers, and we always want to know what features you guys want to see on AutoDS. So head over to feedback.autods.com. There you'll have a system called Upvoting where you can tell us which feature you want to see next on AutoDS. People will be able to vote for your feature that you wanted to see, and you will also be able to vote on other features that you see there that you also agree that needs to be on AutoDS, and we will listen. AutoDS wouldn't be what it is today without you guys, so let us know what's up and we will listen and implement. Thank you for watching. Good luck with AliExpress. See you in the future videos.